Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 9, 11:09 America New York, Microsoft faces tougher path to closing Activision deal. The software giant should give up on the deal, some analysts say, following the FTC's challenge to block the $75 billion bid.
Daily FX Market News.
December 9, 10:30 America New York, Michigan consumer sentiment rises, business conditions improve, inflation cools. Inflation expectations dropped to the lowest levels in the last 15 months while business conditions for 2023 rose by 14% as consumer optimism rises.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 9, 10:22 America New York, Carvana creditors criticize management, Gird for a fight. The CEO's father, who is the used car dealer's biggest shareholder, is seen as a wild card in any potential restructuring.
New York Times Business.
December 9, 10:14 America New York. How bad are microplastics? An expert weighs in. We're becoming aware that they're everywhere. An environmental researcher weighs in on the little particles that break away from the everyday plastic items in our lives.
BBC News Business.
December 9, 10:11 America New York. Penguin Random House boss resigns after Simon & Schuster deal fails. The merger of the publishing giant with rival Simon & Amp. Schuster was scuppered by competition concerns.
New York Times Business.
December 9, 10:07 America New York. A guide to signing up for health coverage. With the deadline near for marketplace medical insurance, a video offers some down-to-earth advice for navigating numerous options and obscure terms.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
December 9, 9:31 America New York. What productivity pay gap? American Enterprise Institute economist Michael Strain has a new paper looking at the relationship between wages and worker productivity and concludes that, contrary to common belief, the link between wages and productivity is strong.
Daily FX Market News. December 9, 9:30 America New York. How to read a candlestick chart. Learn how to read and interpret candlestick charts for day trading, with top strategies and tips.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 9, 9:15 America New York. Supplier price increases moderated in November. The producer price index rose 7.4% last month from a year earlier, down from an 11.7% peak in March.
New York Times Business.
December 9, 9:14 America New York. Sam Bankman-Fried agrees to testify before House Committee. The FTX founder said on Twitter he would appear before a House committee next week, but was quiet about a similar request from a Senate committee. Sam Bankman-Fried spoke last month at the Dealbook Summit from the Bahamas.
Daily FX Market News.
December 9, 8 o'clock America New York, US dollar, DXY, outlook. One last US data drop before CPI and FOMC next week. With traders already looking ahead to next week's all-important CPI number and FOMC decision, today's PPI and Michigan confidence releases should not be disregarded. Global economy.
December 9, 7:51 America New York. Huawei, ZTE. Poor U.S.-Saudi relations offer window for telecoms groups. A key growth market for both Huawei and ZTE is automotive parts.
Global economy.
December 9, 7:42 America New York. Public's view of Bank of England falls to all-time low as prices soar. Satisfaction with central banks' handling of inflation plummets as ONS data show more households cutting back.
Global economy.
December 9, 5:30 America New York. EU seals Chile trade deal that will improve bloc's access to key minerals. South American country will secure more favorable terms for its exports and professional services. BBC News Business.
December 9, 3:49 America New York. Santander UK fined £108 million over money laundering failings. The bank had serious and persistent gaps in anti-money laundering controls, the watchdog finds.
Marginal revolution.
December 9, 3 o'clock America New York. National divorce for Russia? Here is an interesting thread by Kamil Galayev. National divorce within the next year. Russia will spiral into a deep political crisis. There is a non-zero chance that it may scale up existing separatist tendencies leading to the breakup of the empire.
BBC News Business.
December 8, 2028 America New York, fired Twitter cleaning staff, treated like garbage. One of them told the BBC a member of Elon Musk's team said their jobs would be replaced by robots.